Dal Makhani is one of the most popular lentil recipe from the North Indian Punjabi cuisine made with whole black lentils known as kali dal and kidney beans known as rajma. For this recipe I have used a pressure cooker to cook the lentils. Let's see. Soak 2 cups of whole urad dal and half cup kidney beans overnight in enough water for 8 to 9 hours or overnight. Later drain them well. Rinse both the lentils a couple of times in water. Drain again and then add them in pressure cooker. Add 2 to 3 liters of water. Goes in 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, 1 bay leaf. Now pressure cook for 18 to 20 whistles on a high flame till both the urad dal and rajma have cooked thoroughly and soften. If they are not cooked, add about half cup of water again and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles more. Now take a pan, heat 3 tablespoon ghee. To this I am adding 2 medium-sized chopped onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Fry this well for few seconds. Adding 1 teaspoon salt. Goes in 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Cook this till it becomes soft and mushy. Adding 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Give this a good mix. And now adding finely chopped coriander leaves. Then add the cooked urad dal and rajma beans. Add the remaining stock. Add 1 cup of water if required. Mix very well and simmer the dal uncovered on a low heat. Keep on stirring often so that the lentils don't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Mash a few lentils too while stirring. Now adding 1 cup of cream. Add 1 tablespoon roasted kasuri methi. Adding 3 tablespoon butter. Give this a very good mix. Close the lid and slow cook for 20 minutes. Once the dal makhani has begun to thicken, do keep on stirring at intervals. The consistency of dal makhani is neither too thick or too thin. It has a medium consistency. Mix well, then switch off the flame. If you want, you can give charcoal smoke. I usually keep for 1 minute. Stir again. Transfer this in a serving bowl. Drizzle some fresh cream on top and serve with tandoori roti or butter naan. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves. And if you try this recipe, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below and don't forget to snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Seeing your creation makes my day. And make sure to subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, have a nice day.